Regional Trial Court. And the race is on Extreme Connection, Chutinelli, Green Street, Danori inside New Chapter, rushing up is Burning Glow, Tiago running by the rallies, Tiger Boy, Green Street, New Chapter, Burning Glow, and by the rallies, Tiger Boy, under Federal's Extreme Connection, Object of Desire, is racing in 6th position, followed in by Tiago. Red Hot Water is running in 8th by the rally. 9th position belongs to JST, 10th My Chic, Wawa West Chuchinelli, Friendly Venture, second last, and Mama's Love is running in 14th. Green Street by Sam 2 lengths, followed now by Tiger Boy. Burning Glow racing in third alongside Object of Desire, Extreme Connection. Red Hot Water by the New Chapter as the action swing towards the long Nike stretch run with Green Street, Tiger Boy. Burning Glow is on the outside. Red Hot Water, Extreme Connection. Green Street, Tiger Boy. Burning Glow moves up to take the lead. Burning Glow, Tiger Boy, Red Hot Water. And finally, Burning Glow. Tiger Boy back in the second spot. Number 4, Red Hot Water took third. And number 5, Green Street, My Chic, salvaging the 5th position.